Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own quilt block food cover. So let's begin. Begin by making or choosing the quilt block for your food cover. The quilt block I am using is the September Block of the Month, a free pattern available in the Files section on Thermoweb's Facebook group, Thermoweb Craft Room. Sew the shorter front panels to the left and right sides of your quilt block. Press and then sew the longer panels to the top and bottom. Next, adhere the fusible craft weight interfacing to the wrong side of your heavyweight canvas fabric. Then, adhere your fusible fleece to the wrong side of the top food cover you just made. Next, you will baste the front and back pieces together, interfacing to interfacing, with the spray and bond basting spray. Quilt as desired, and then trim to 23 inches by 23 inches. Next, we need to prepare the handles. First, fold over the short ends to 1/4 inch on both sides and press. Then, fold in half long ways to create a crease. Once you've created the crease, fold each long end to the center, and then fold in half again. Sew around each handle as close to the edge as possible. Attach the handles to the top of the food cover. Sew small squares on both ends of each handle, leaving the center open. Next, cut out 5-inch squares from each corner. Bring the edges of one corner right sides together. Align the finishing strip and clip. Sew a 1/4 inch seam, folding over the edge of the finishing strip on the end where the corner comes together. Fold over the finishing strip 2 more times and top stitch. Repeat on all 4 corners. Next, turn your food cover right side out. Add your binding using your preferred method. This next step is optional, but hand stitch each of the 4 corners together with several stitches to reinforce the bottom corners. These stitches help keep the sides from bulging out.